Do you want to know how you can log into your Netspend Flare account? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to Tech Basics. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can log into your Netspend Flare account. Go ahead and open your Chrome or Edge browser on your PC and go ahead and search Netspend Flare login, and it will open up this account. There might be some problems at times, but in a while you can see that your Netspend account will open up. Go ahead and click I'm not a robot, wait for a while, and you can see that you can now click on the first link which appears on your screen. After you click it, your Ace Flare account, which is also Netspend Flare account, will open up. You can see that this is owned by Netspend. So go ahead and open your Flare account, and what you need to do is log into your account now. To log in, go ahead and write down your username, your password, and then click login. This way you can successfully log into your Netspend Flare account. You can also click remember my username. If you have confusion and have forgotten your username or password, these are the two links you want to go through to recover your password or retrieve back your username. So this was a video on how you can log into your Netspend Flare account. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.